Here's a demo that shows how the tool I built uses crowdsourcing as a means to validate the outputs of machine learning software using human common sense. Here it is used to validate inferences made by a machine learning algorithm that infers new facts based on facts previously learned by reading the web. The input is an XML file. The most important part of the input XML is the question element. It contains the question to be asked, which in this case is the verification of an inference. The confidence required in the answer, which is calculated based on the reliability of individual answers using Bayesian probability. The maximum amount of money to be spent on this question. And the answer choices, which in this case are whether the inference is correct or otherwise. For demonstration purposes, I've also included a false inference. It says, Amazon is a company in Seattle, and Amazon is a rainforest. Therefore, a rainforest is in Seattle. Now let's input the XML file. The tool automatically creates the necessary jobs on Mechanical Turk. So let's go to the Mechanical Turk website and find our jobs. I'll search for validate inference, which we had listed as a keyword in the input XML. Here we see the Mechanical Turk job automatically created as a result of our input. And if we open it, we see that the tool has automatically converted the question XML to HTML. Now we have to wait for answers to perform the validation before we see the results. It's been hours since we posted the question. Let's search the database of answers and see if any of the questions have been answered. The system prints out the XML and other info for any questions that are related to our query. The answer to the first question is that the inference is correct, which is what we expected, and the confidence in the answer is 0.85, which is more than the required confidence. The answer to the second question is that the inference is incorrect, which is also what we expected, since that was the deliberately wrong inference.